Pete Bradshaw. I'm the fire chief with the city of Lafayette. I have 25 years in the fire service. One of the challenges we're facing both with police and fire is the growth of the city of Lafayette. And the other part we're trying to keep up with and doing a very good job of being proactive with current legislation that is affecting both police and fire in how we do our jobs. The city of Lafayette has been proactive with body-worn cameras for our police officers. It's the accountability that our residents want. It's compliance with legislation. Both police and fire in the city of Lafayette welcome the change. The challenge for the city long-term is maintaining that hardware and providing data storage for the incredible amount of data that comes in from those devices. The fire department and the police department in the city of Lafayette have a great relationship. I would say we are mutually dependent partners in public safety. One of the ways we're being proactive is with a co-responder program. The mental health co-responder is part of the first response team. They respond with the police department for their safety, but their role on those calls is to ensure the patient receives the proper care as quickly as possible. So it allows us to provide specialized care in the field that is probably the gateway to long-term care. We staff fire stations and police departments with the law of averages, but that doesn't translate to everyday work. It's not so much the total calls for a year, it's how they happen and when they get all stacked on top of each other that it's really challenging for us and our neighboring and partner agencies. It's important that the Lafayette Police Department and Fire Department move forward together to keep up with the city's growth. First is staffing, the number of personnel with the right training, and the second one is having the right equipment on the streets that is replaced in a reasonable time frame. Two things that are unique to the fire department outside of standard city government is the cost of our specialized equipment, apparatus, and our life safety equipment, including our personal protective equipment and our self-contained breathing apparatus. So that equipment, it doesn't last forever, it's like everything. It has about a 15-year lifespan, and being able to replace that on an ongoing basis is a really important part for us moving forward. So one of the reasons ambulances wear out is they're running 7 or 8 calls a day. 70% of what we do is EMS. We're providing high-level advanced life support care in the back of the ambulance. It's a truck, but it's also a mobile ER. And so keeping those two pieces working together, clean, functional with the latest technology is a challenge for us. So having an initiative that supports both organizations equally sends a message to the residents and to the staff at the police and fire departments that we're equally important to the community. And this initiative is a long-term solution for a lot of our current challenges.